So hi everyone, and this is an forward POC, a POC that takes a natural language command from a user and convert it into structured JSON intent using an LLM. After that, it executes the mapped action on the system through a simple action layer. In short, text command that converts the AI converts it to JSON and the system performs the action. So why we built it? In many teams, people waste time converting simple requests into action like open Chrome, create a file, run a routine task. That translation from human language to what the system should do is repetitive and slow. So how it helps? This POC shows how we can reduce manual effort by letting users describe tasks in plain English, standardize execution using structured JSON, build a base for automation help desk, IT operations, admin tasks, repetitive workflows, and how it works. So the user sends a command to the API endpoint, post slash command. The backend passes it and runs the correct function to execute the action. Then it returns a simple response like action executed. So I will give you a quick demo for it. For that first, let me turn on the virtual environment. So if I run it, we will be running it on the local host, and this will be the okay. 1 second, you need to do slash docs. Then 1 second, I'll change the theme. Yeah. In this, when you will go to command and then you will use yeah command and we will try it out. And like we will send a command to the API endpoint post slash command and then convert into JSON backend passes and run a correct function to execute that action. So if I show you like create a let me say create a file demo.txt execute that has been executed as you can see. So AI converted into JSON. This is part the action will be the created file and value to download as system execute and creates the file. So I will show you in the directory demo.txt has been created, and the content inside the file is created by a POC that confirms full pipeline works. So current feature in this POC supports like open that create a file, you can write what you want. We can add multiple features in it to make it production like we can open apps like Google Chrome folders, manage folder, write richer files, run scripts, integrate with tools like Slack, Jira, email browser, enforce a strict JSON schema, confirm dangerous action before execution, add user permission, role-based access, add metric for error message, cleaner error message. Simple UI can be also added for testing and monitoring. So this was an open flow POC, a working demonstration converting natural language into structured action and executing them automatically. Thank you.